I tried YouTube for 100 days and this is what happened. My name is Lyndon and I have worked behind the scenes on some of the biggest YouTube channels on the platform. But 100 days ago, I wanted to prove that anyone could start a YouTube channel from scratch and instantly see results without having an existing presence online, a crazy budget, or getting a ton of shoutouts. And that's when I jokingly said to a friend, what if I started a channel from zero and documented the whole step-by-step process of blowing it up so that anyone just starting out could copy me. And on August 14th, 2023, I created this channel. I started researching titles, thumbnails, editing styles, and what people are doing to stand out. Fast forward 100 days and this channel hit 10,000 subscribers with only 8 videos. And I'm about to show you exactly what I did to start and blow up this channel so that you can copy and paste the simple process yourself to get your first 1,000, 10,000, and eventually 100,000 subscribers. So whenever you launch a new channel, the first thing that you need to do is set up a video style testing plan. Because 99% of small YouTubers start with just one style of content, which doesn't get views, and then they keep making that style of content thinking that it'll magically blow up someday. But instead, they end up wasting months, if not years, on a style that just doesn't work. And this is such an easy fix. And doing this exact strategy allowed us to get 10,000 views on our second ever video. First, we found 3 different video styles that we could use on this channel. The first was a more in-depth masterclass style taken from this video. This style has a super edited intro, but the rest is really raw, in-depth, and super valuable to the viewer. Now, as you can see, this video has over 30,000 views, but when I first posted it, it only got 100. So we moved on to style number 2, a much more fast-paced editing style that was modeled after our competitors, except we made the editing better and more of a challenge style. This video went on to get 10,000 plus views. So we realized we needed to double down. We asked ourselves, how could we make this style even better? So on the next video, we tested the same style, but a slightly longer video with better editing, information, and an intro. And that video crushed as well. It blew up to 20,000 views. And in the span of 3 videos, my YouTube channel had gone from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. This was not luck, and the testing strategy was just a small but crucial piece of how we did it. Because the thing that makes or breaks YouTube channels is not your actual content. It's not your editing, your script, or even the way that you present yourself on camera. And I'm gonna be real with you, there's almost no big YouTuber who will tell you this. But did you know that YouTubers like MrBeast, Ryan Trahan, and Eric have full-time teams? They pay like over 6 figures to come up with ideas full-time. These ideas are then pitched in weekly meetings where the creators will decide on what videos will actually get the most views. And they are paying these teams hundreds of thousands of dollars a year because, as MrBeast famously said, YouTube is an ideas business. And the quality and quantity of your ideas is what will be the difference between 100,000 views and 100. But there's an ideation strategy that I've started using recently that shows you how to come up with viral video ideas on command so that you can essentially guarantee your videos get views, simply because your ideas are so good that it forces the viewer to click. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna show you what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to get 10,000 views on your next video. I am about to teach you how to do outlier analysis. So this is one of the most powerful YouTube ideation methods that you can possibly do. And it's literally so powerful. It's what I use to grow my channel from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in 3 months. And I'm about to show you how to do it right now. So let's hop into YouTube. What we are going to do is look at videos in other niches than our own. Let's say we're Iman Gaji, let's say that's our channel. So what we don't want to do is copy videos from the business niche, because then we're just going to be a copycat, right? Let's say we go to Alex Hormozi. So if we copied a video from Alex Hormozi, it just wouldn't make sense. Like if Iman Gaji made this video, 13 years of no BS business advice in 79 minutes, it's not going to work because Alex Hormozi kind of already did that concept in the business space. But what we can do instead is look at other niches. Like we could look at the YouTube growth niche, for example. We could look at my channel, right? So if we go to Amplify views, we could pull the idea, let's say this one. So how to go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 2024 for free. What we could do if we're Iman Gaji, we could take that concept and we could apply it to our own niche, right? So how could we do that? We could go how to go from 0 to $10,000 a month in 2024 for free, right? And we could take that concept and apply it to our channel. Same with this one, right? This video did really good, 428,000 views. So what we could do is take that concept, how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, and and apply that to business. So we could essentially make that video, how to make $10,000 a month fast, and essentially just apply the exact same concept, but just transfer it across niches. And the reason why we are able to do that is because that video has never been made in the business niche before. So no one, not Alex Hormozi, not Ali Abdaal, all of these people have never made that video. It's been made in a completely separate niche and it's been proven to work already. So we can essentially take that proven concept and apply it to a niche with no competition. Now let's say we have my channel, right? We're doing a YouTube channel about growing on YouTube. What we could do is look at, self-development creators or procrastination creators. So let's pull up someone like Nicholas Crystal. You guys probably remember him popping off a couple years ago, one of the best YouTubers on the platform until he stopped posting. So we could take some of these really, really good concepts like, buy an alarm clock, it will change your life, 1.9 million views. And what we can do is essentially apply that concept to a YouTube growth channel or my channel. And we could do something like make this video, it will get you 1,000 subscribers, right? So we're basically taking that same concept and then just applying it to a different niche, right? Because again, it's already been proven. But the key here is that we have to come up with a lot of these ideas. For example, this is my ideas list right now, and these are just the ones that I have not sorted. For example, here's all the ones that I've checked. I can scroll down here for a while. Like, there's a lot of ideas in here, right? So basically, the key principle is that you need to come up with a ton of video ideas. And these are really what's going to grow your channel. Now that you have great ideas that will blow up your channel, it's time for me to tell you the truth about how we grew this channel. And to be honest, it's something that I've never heard another YouTuber talk about before. Because frankly, growing on YouTube is not easy. And anyone who tells you different is probably trying to sell you something. But if you look at all of the channels blowing up right now, you'll notice that they all have one thing in common. And doing this one thing is the only way to actually grow a channel in 2024. It's not sexy, it's not cookie cutter, but it is very, very simple. You see, there are two ways to stand out from the thousands of new channels popping up every day. You have to either be better or new. You can either look at what all of your competitors are doing, write down every aspect of their channel, and see which ones you can improve on. Can you do better editing than them? Can you have better information than they do? Or are you willing to simply give more away for free? You can also choose to be new. What is an editing style that has never been done in my niche before? How can I bring my personality into the content to separate myself from everyone? Can I incorporate more cinematography than my competitors? These are exactly what you need to think about when you're launching a YouTube channel. And on this channel, I chose to do both, which is what allowed me to hit 10,000 subscribers in under 100 days and even monetize my channel to make around $50,000 a month from it. We did this by simply adding more value than everyone else in our niche. While most YouTubers at the time were selling courses for $297, we decided to build a completely free YouTube course that was better than all the paid ones. We literally spent months creating this and spent thousands of dollars on it. And then we gave it away for free to everyone who watches the channel. This is a perfect example of adding more value than everyone in your niche. And if you are an education channel, building a free course is one of the easiest ways to add more value, because no one else will be willing to give up that money. But we also did this by creating a proven and unique brand for our channel. And you can do this even if you aren't a creative person. You simply need to look at other successful brands outside of your niche. An example of this would be Iman Ghazi, right? Very successful brand, probably the biggest business brand right now, him and Alex Hormozi. What I did on my channel is simply take the actual contents of his video and the actual setup of his video and apply that to the YouTube growth niche. If we go ahead and watch one of these videos, one thing that he does really well is animation. What I saw is that no one in the YouTube growth niche had yet taken this proven style that had never been done before, which is really high quality animations, and applied it to the YouTube growth niche. So what I did is I took that, I made it my own, and it absolutely crushed because no one had ever done it before. I also have a very high quality setup with a different background, different lighting, but overall same kind of framing of the image, right? And I also mixed that with Alex Hormozi style, which is also from the business niche, where what I did is I saw that the whiteboard style was doing very well for him. And he was, getting tons of views on a whiteboard. What I did is I took that whiteboard concept and I tied it into my videos, so I combined Alex Hormozi and Iman Ghazi into my videos to make them super engaging and add a ton of value in a style that no one had ever seen before that's already been proven. So you need to ask yourself, have these styles been done yet in your niche, right? And there's tons of different styles, not just in the business space, right? Like for example, now even Amplify Views, this channel has its own very unique style. And there's tons of other ones, for example, Natalie Lynn, right? She has a vlog channel, For example, someone like Daniel Dalen could take this kind of style of a vlog video and make it into business, right? Obviously, he's not doing this on quite the same cinematic level as her, but someone still can come in the business space and do this style of video, one that's tailored more towards emotion, one that's tailored towards more of an actual adventure, and it's going to perform very well. So that's another example. One more example would be William Brown. He is absolutely crushed at the business space, and someone could take his style of video, which is just a very raw video in a very nice apartment, and apply that to a different niche. Someone could apply that to YouTube growth if they have a bunch of YouTube plaques in the background, or someone could apply that to fitness. Let's say if they're literally sitting in a gym talking about fitness, that could work. Another example is Daniel Dalen. He has been blowing up recently, and he has a very unique style, right, where he basically documents his life. Someone could do a similar style vlog for a fitness channel and would probably crush. Another example would be Gawk's Art, where he has very creative shots that no one else really has. Like, someone could do a business channel, or someone could do a science channel like this, or a documentary channel that just has super good cinematography and outweighs everyone else, right? You just have to search around, find a style that hasn't been done yet in your niche that is proven to work, and you are going to be in a very good place. After you have this branding down for your actual videos, you need to apply the same concept to your thumbnails and titles. Because you only have about 0.2 seconds to capture the audience's attention, which looks about this long. This means that your thumbnail needs to be different than all the other videos. So how do you do this? You need to make thumbnails that are better or new. And on this channel, I chose to make new thumbnails, taking inspiration from concepts that have worked well in other niches, and then bringing them back to the YouTube growth niche. I also developed a unique style, so now when you see one of my videos on your homepage, you think, oh, that's an Amplify views video. This helps us increase our returning viewers because our content is instantly recognizable. We decided to go with a faceless thumbnail theme with bright colors and showing a lot of YouTube results. And here are some ideas of thumbnail brands that you could use on your own channel. Once you do this, your channel will be different than everyone else in your market, meaning that you will be able to stand out and avoid all of the competition. You can essentially be making videos in a market of one, which means no matter what, your videos get pushed to the top and you get a ton of views, subscribers, and eventually turn YouTube into your full-time career. But to do this faster, you also need an understanding of the foundations of YouTube. And that's exactly why we have our free YouTube course with over 12 hours of content, going over everything that you need to grow your channel from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 2024. We give away everything that you need to grow a massive YouTube channel completely for free. And we even have a whole module that goes even deeper on channel branding that gives you a step-by-step process to follow in order to develop what we call a blue ocean on YouTube to grow fast. So watch this video next where I show you what you'll learn, how to get access, and how you can use the information to blow up on YouTube in 2024. Thanks and have a great day.